Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some MCQ type question in the chapter mean, median and mode. The first question, which of the following is a positional average? The options are A mean, B median, C quartile, D none. The answer for this question is option B, that is median. Now next question, which quartile is called median? The options are Q1, B Q3, C Q2 and D none of these. Option C is the right answer, that is Q2. Now next question, quartile divided the series into how many parts? The options are A1, B2, C3, D4. The answer for this question is option D, that is 4. Now next question, for the systematical distribution Q1 and Q3 are 20 and 60 respectively, the value of median will be A 20, B 30, C 40, D 50. The right answer is option C, that is 40. Now next question, the most suitable average for qualitative measurement is options A arithmetic mean, B median, C mode and D A and C above. The right answer is option B, that is median. Now next question, which average would be most suitable to know the average size of the ready-made garment? The options are A mean, B median, C mode, D none. The right answer is option C, that is mode. Now next question, to know the average production of factory, which measure of calculation be used? The options are A median, B quartile, C mode, D mean. The right answer is option D, that is mean. The next question, which value of series is median? Options are A middle, B average, C highest frequency, D none of the above. The right answer is option A, that is middle. Next question, median can be calculated from, the options are indivisible series, B discrete series, C continuous series, D all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. The next question, in a mathematical positively skewed distribution, A bar is less than mean, less than mode, and option B mean is equal to mean then mode, then option C is equal to mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode, D none of the above. The right answer is option C, that is mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode. Next question, a mode can be calculated only if the series is made using A inclusive series, B exclusive series, C both, D none of the above. The option B is the right answer, that is exclusive series. Now next question, mode is equal to option A 3 mean median minus 2 mean, option B 2 median minus 3 mean, C median minus mean and D none of the above. The right answer is option A, that is 3 median minus 2 mean. Thank you.